Fintechs in South Africa. What an exciting time we are currently living in. We have seen over the last 5 years there have been tremendous developments and improvements in the way fintechs operate in the country that we live in. Why, you may ask? Our traditional large corporates in the fintech space have created challenger type banks such as Discovery Bank, Bank Zero, and Time Bank. However, there's been a lot of focus and a lot of attention given to these types of entities. Today I would like to focus on some of the entities that are your more traditional fintech startup type businesses. Our country, as we know it at the moment, has only 30% of our population that are unbanked. 30% of the population unbanked represents one of the greatest opportunities for fintechs in South Africa to target banking the unbanked. I'd like to just share with you a very typical example of a very South African type solution that has come out in the market. So, Lobola, which is seen as an offering of cattle to a wife's family as an act of good faith, is something that the banks as we know it have not previously funded. Fintechs have seen this as a great opportunity to be able to provide funding using a platform to prospective South Africans that are looking to finance their Lobola type payments. This for me represents traditional South African type solutions that have been developed by South Africans for South Africans in order to use fintech as a solution to maximize profitability. We live in a time where regulation has killed innovation in lots of different industries, and specifically fintech. However, as South Africans, we have been blessed in that our South African regulator have set up a specific fintech division that's looking at exploring fintech type solutions, working with fintechs, and going on a journey together in terms of how to regulate these fintech type activities, which represents South Africa taking a specific step in the market to try and embrace fintech type solutions. With our regulator being so open to these types of opportunities and regulating it through collaboration represents a great opportunity for our fintechs are currently seizing. Globally, we have seen that Africa represents, and South Africa for that matter, represents a great economic opportunity for some of the large corporates. Jack Dorsey, who's the Twitter CEO, plans to spend a significant portion of his time in the next 12 to 18 months in the African continent exploring African type opportunities. And for me, the solutions developed already within the Lobola space represents great South African innovation, which is very exciting. And the fact that internationally South Africa and Africa is seen as such a great hub for economic development of large global brands such as Twitter means we are living in probably one of the most exciting times in terms of how technology is being immersed within the financial services space.